you want to get the 140 version, you only get one of these in a pouch. It's really up to you. Myself, I really want to get the combo, but I can't wait any longer. I have to buy this at Amazon. I was gonna buy this at DJI when it first released, but like I said, it takes forever. I don't know why. So I'd rather just get it at Amazon. It's faster. If I'm not happy with this, I can return it back A to Z without no problem. And also you can get this rod here for like $135, and then if you want to add this one here, it's $140. And look at the benefit that you can get. And you can get more than just a gimbal tripod for $140. You can actually get this solid piece and for more. So let's go ahead and see what's all about. I'm super excited. To be honest with you, I had the second version of this and I did like it. But one thing I did not like about it, because it was kind of a little bit too big, and I already have action camera. But this one right here seems like foldable, so I'll go ahead and accept it. You know, I'm supposed to have a gimbal killer already, the Hero 7 Black, and also the Osmo Action. But to see what this is all about here. And here you go. This is my impression, guys. So this is not paid advertisement. Okay, this is me purchased it with my own money. And see what's in here in this box, what you get. So first of all, I saw is a pouch that comes with it. Wow, interestingly, very nice. Look at that. You can actually use your Osmo I'm sorry, your Mavic controller here. Oh, it does. I'm sorry. It does. Oh, it does fit. It does fit the Mavic Pro 2, the pouch. Let's go ahead and see. And here you go. Actually fits. Just a little bit different though, you know. Just a little bit. You can see you can still fit your drone. And go. So you get one of these Type-C cords that comes with it. That's a good thing. And you already have the actions and whatever. You can also use it also. You get instruction. And what else we're gonna see here? You get this rubberized, seems like a stand or something, but and you get this right here for your straps. You won't drop your gimbal. But let's go ahead and open this up. Super excited already. This is my impression, guys. Oh wow. This reminds me of my 2 version, but this seems a little bit different. It has that solid look to it too. Same, I like this look. That's the reason why I like the Mavic Pro 2 look, and still have that. That's a good thing. And also over here, the RoboMaster. I love that unique look to it. And then let's go ahead and see what's this all about. See how this thing works. So, very interesting. So how this works. So you can actually go sideways with it. Interestingly. Oh, okay. So you just hold it like that and you're good to go here. So yeah, you gotta have this to put it on there. You can get this at Amazon for really cheap, man, $7. And look, see, it works. If you want to, you can get one of these here. And look, you can actually mount it. Let me go ahead and take this off for now. And you have a better wide for safety. Because especially when you have a big phone or something like that. Yeah, expensive one like $1,000, and you don't want to screw it up, so this will be ideal. And you got better, and you got more extension. See right here, got it on. Look at that, solid. And then if you want to, you can just, here you go. So look at that. You can have it this way and which way you want it at. But it's nice, man. My impression is pretty good. All right, guys. So it's pretty much simple setup. All you gotta do is log into a DJI app and you get in right away. Yeah, but it's pretty nice. It's not bad. I would, you know, if you're thinking about getting one, I mean, for 120, it's not bad. You know, you can, if you have a smartphone already, you might as well get one. But yeah, it's very stabilized. And I have this extension here, and I can actually just go with it and give me no problem. Look at that. So it's a cool idea. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if the iPhone SE is going to work. And I'm gonna go ahead and go from here and see how much it's gonna give me, because this one right here is shooting 4K 60 right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if this is gonna give me a limitation, because this only shoots 4K 30. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can use the app and do the same thing. All right, guys, I'm using the iPhone SE now. And then we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about. We're gonna go ahead and see if we get a 4K 60, because apparently this phone only got 4K 30. 4K 30, that's good. You know what I mean? That's a good thing I did that. So I thought you can do 4K 60. But like I said, look at how stabilized it is. And I'm just using my iPhone SE, guys. Using an iPhone SE. I mean, using the iPhone XS. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the difference. I mean, you know, this is just using the Osmo Mobile, and you can actually see what's going on here. But yeah, it's pretty interesting, you know. It's really, look at that, stabilized footage, but just using your iPhone SE. And then you can do it this way. Look at that, and put a trigger. And then let's go ahead and turn down this way, you guys can see. And then I'm still kind of new to this. I'm gonna go ahead and redo it again one more time.